Is Montessori education backed by research or brain science? The answer is yes. Montessori education isn't just an idea from the past, it's backed by over a century of observation and now confirmed by modern research and brain science. Neuroscience confirms what Dr. Montessori observed: the first 6 years are the most powerful for learning. During this time, the brain forms millions of connections every second, shaping thinking, emotions, and social skills. Montessori described sensitive periods, times when children are naturally drawn to learn specific skills like language, movement, or order. Modern science calls this neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and rewire most easily during key stages. Hands-on, sensory learning, a cornerstone of Montessori, activates multiple brain regions. Physically engaging with materials like counting beads or tracing letters links real-world experience to abstract understanding. The balance of freedom and structure in Montessori develops executive function skills such as planning, self-control, and adaptability, as children make meaningful choices within clear boundaries, strengthening the brain's decision-making systems. Mixed-age classrooms nurture empathy, leadership, and cooperation. Social neuroscience shows that mentoring and observing peers strengthens networks in the brain that handle social understanding. Long, uninterrupted work cycles allow children to reach deep concentration, also known as a flow state, which boosts learning, creativity, and satisfaction, yet is rare when work is frequently interrupted. This deep engagement is reinforced by Montessori's sequence, which moves from concrete materials to abstract ideas, mirroring brain development from sensory and motor areas to higher thinking and building strong problem-solving skills. Research shows Montessori students often excel academically, have stronger social-emotional skills, and show greater intrinsic motivation compared to peers in traditional settings. Montessori education aligns beautifully with how the brain develops, learns, and thrives, combining timeless educational wisdom with modern scientific validation. From sensory-rich experiences to freedom within structure, each element is supported by research in neuroscience and child development, making Montessori not just an alternative method, but a deeply evidence-based path to lifelong learning.